morning, welcome back to the channel. Dude, woke up to a very exciting text this morning. So my nephew, about that Christmas tree, it's actually, we're putting it away, but yeah. So I threw away the bag. I'm gonna grab my sweater. Threw away the bag for that thing. So been looking for a stupid Christmas tree bag. Then I'm just gonna have to order one on Amazon. But I got an exciting text this morning. My nephew is, well, not my nephew, but my sister-in-law pretty much is having a baby. And yeah, it is like, I don't even know what time it is. It's early in the morning, it's cold as hell. I brought my sweater, I need to put this thing on. Look at the view though, views on views out here. It is so nice. Anyways guys, I am currently on my way to the hospital because baby Jayde is on her way. And yeah, let's get today started. This thing is so dirty. God, look at that. Cold start. So I have some like news to tell you guys about this truck a little bit, kinda. It's kind of hold on. Sydney's cheese nips. Let me throw some of this stuff away. Sydney always brings like every snack she could find, puts it in here. Just a second. Dude, it's like so cold out here. My watch says it's 38 degrees, but like I'm just so excited that it's not even like, I'm not even gonna wear that. Like it's not that cold. So exciting. So exciting, so cool. Oh, so the news for this truck. I need to tell you guys about this whole thing. Let me pull my phone out, show you guys a little bit. No, actually I'm not, because it's all gonna be a surprise. Plug my phone in. Very exciting news. Possibly, maybe today I'll get some more info on this. And dude, I'm like so stoked about this because I've been waiting for, this camera's getting pretty heavy. So very excited about this because I've honestly been waiting for this. Sorry, I don't know what the hell was back there. I've been wanting, as you guys know, that my favorite car is obviously a Lamborghini, and which is the car that I had. And as you guys don't know, the car that I blew up, I don't know if a lot of you guys know that or not, but there's a video where I blew the car up somewhere in my channel. And yeah, so I don't have it recorded of it blowing up, but it blew the engine. And so anyways, by any means, the car is gone. Dude, I get people asking me all the time, like literally all the time I get asked why I never post my Lambo anymore and where my Lambo is. And I don't have the Lambo anymore. I think it's somewhere in Arizona. Yeah, that's it. That's literally it. The Lambo's gone. But speaking about Lambo and speaking about Arizona, there's another Lambo in Arizona that I'm just kind of interested in, but I don't want to spoil this. Like, I don't even want to spoil it for myself. So that's it. That's all I want to say. And it's so exciting, dude. Like, if I can bring another Lambo for the channel, dude, this would be so amazing. Anyways guys, enough talking, dude. I gotta get to the hospital. So just got here, dude. Literally, this coffee literally lasted me like, so it sucks because I normally order a nitro cold brew with sweet cream and then I add vanilla, and they didn't have cold brew, so it sucks. And so they gave me an Americano blonde or something. I've never had it, but it was pretty good. Literally only lasted me like, I don't know, I want to say like less than 5 minutes for sure. Less than 5 minutes for that coffee. Gone. Dude, so I ended up parking right here. It says no parking, tow away zone. I'm really hoping that this whole no parking, whoop, dude, I barely even fit. That this whole no parking thing is like legit from that pole this way. Let me show you. Like this bad boy. There it is. No parking. Truck. Boom. Alright, let's go. Hospital. Try not to get run over here. She had the baby. Here it is.
Body.
She's hungry, yeah.
Congrats.
Thank you.
She wants it in her mouth. So cute. Look at her little toes. Oh my god. Eat? No. Hi, Mama.
You're welcome.
You want your burger made? Oh, please.
Say hey to everybody. Open your eyes.
Yeah.
The baby, bro.
Oh, the Bath and Body one. Oh, so it's not as dry.
Open your eyes.
Remember.
Say hi.
Yeah.
Here she is, baby Jay.
Uh-huh.
Jordan was telling us.
Made it back to the truck. No tickets on my windshield, no tickets anywhere. It's getting a little blurry. And there's that. I finally made it back home. I'm sorry I didn't really record much today or there. Kind of, yeah, I was just kind of enjoying baby Jade. She's so cute. Congratulations, big congratulations to my brother. He's actually my nephew, but he's pretty much my brother. We grew up together. We're only like 2 years apart. And yeah, dude, congrats, bro. Like, you're gonna be a great dad. Anyways, guys, I am going to be at home for a little bit. Then I'm gonna go see Sydney for a little while. For New Year's. Today is actually the last day of 2019, and then we get to start 2020. So you guys be ready. 2020 is gonna be big for us. Just with starting with January and the giveaway of the black DURAMAX. You guys be ready for that. Smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you guys get notified every time I post. I was actually talking about it today, might be posting daily vlogs. I haven't seen a lot of daily vloggers anymore. They're still out there, but there isn't very many. So I might bring that back to this channel because I used to do it. So I might do it again. Guys, peace out. You guys, hope you guys had a great New Year's, and let's get this year started.